Hi, I'm going to review this MT-VIKI thing, which is quite cool. It's a 4-port KVM switch which also supports audio, which sounds great. Problem is, firstly, it keeps switching randomly. I'm not changing it, it's just doing it by itself. So that's the first problem, there it goes. Second problem is, if I actually put on my speakers now, this is what it sounds like. So aside from the fact it keeps on changing randomly, we also have the problem that it's beeping constantly. Maybe that's linked. And we have the problem that there is that real buzzing. Can you hear that? And it changes depending on the colour and the kind of screen it's sending down. Oh, and it seems to have it seems to have caused a blue screen on my laptop now. Wow. So, as you can tell, it's kind of not going ideally right at this moment. I think it might be going back in the box, back to the shop, I'm afraid. I'm gonna unplug everything, plug it all back in, and give that a try. But for now, that's my review.